Hi guys, you're welcome back to Hannah's Heaven. This is a continuation of the last video and we are still talking about ventilation. This time we'll be talking about the different knottings in ventilation. Let's get right into it. The first one we're talking about today is the double knotting. From my last video, I taught you guys how to do the basic ventilation, and the type of knotting we used there is called the single knotting. Now we are going on to the double knotting. Now this is how it works. Pick a hole on the net. Hook 2 or 3 strands of hair. Pass the hair through the net and with tension on both hands, hook the other end of the hair and pass it through the loop. And again, hook the other end of the hair and pass it through the loop like you see me doing. This type of knotting is basically you repeating what I taught you in the last video twice before taking out your hook. Now let's do this together again. Pick a hole on the net. Hook the hair and pass it through the hole with tension on both hands. Hook the other end of the hair and pass it through the loop. And again, hook the other end of the hair and pass it through the loop before you take out your hair and hook entirely. Basically, this is just it for double knotting. You just keep practicing and with time you're going to get perfect. On to the next. The next one we are talking about is the single split knotting. You pick a hole on the net and pass your hair through the hole, but this time you're only picking one end of the hair. That is just it. Let's do this again. You pick a hole on your net, pass your hair through the net and pick only one end like you see me doing of the hair, pass it through the loop. This is just it for split knotting. This is single split knotting. One disadvantage about this type of knotting is that it's not durable. It easily spurs, it easily pulls out. Now the yoga bata of them all is the double split knotting. Just like the single split knot, you pick a hole on the net, hook your hair and pass it through the net, and then pick one side of the hair, pass it through the loop and pick the other end, pass it through the loop. This is just it. This is called double split knotting. Pick a hole on the net, hook your hair, pass it through the net, pick one end of the hair, pass it through the loop and pick the other end of the hair too and pass it through the loop. These are the basic knottings we have in ventilation, and I can tell you for free that the double split knotting is just the best because you can easily bleach it and it is way more durable. So try this and let me know in the comment section if you did. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If this video was helpful to you, why not click on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell so you get notified when I post more interesting videos. Thank you so much. Like and share my video. See you on my next one.